Hey, my friends. This week for our micro training, I wanted to just remind you of a tool I've already put together for you and how to access that tool, and invite you then to take just a few minutes and explore what's there and see if anything stands out to you. When you open up the internet, remember our website is silearn.churchofjesuschrist.org. When you log in, you'll see our West Virginia micro trainings. And when you click on that, it will automatically take you to the home page. I added this new link called Old Testament to our home page. When you click on that, it will immediately take you to this list of resources, the scriptures, all the doctrinal mastery activities and manuals, commentary on the scriptures, as well as the assessments. And down here, we'll look at this in a second, are standards for seminary teaching that I hope to build our future trainings on. But this week, will you log in and click on Old Testament and take just a moment and glance through what's available here and see if there's anything that might be a blessing for you and your students as we move forward. For me, I want to just open this up. I hope to base our trainings on this simple standard of how we can increase our impact in the classroom. Practices teachers can develop to fulfill our role as seminary teachers. Each week I'll choose one of these 25 key areas and we'll build our training on that. Anyway, know that I love you. I'm grateful for you. And again, just invite you to take a moment this week and explore this tool I put together for you. Take care, my friends. Have a good one.